Do you ever feel overwhelmed by modern life's demands? Many experience persistent tiredness and low spirits. Ancient cultures turned to plants for healing and balance. One such plant, Damiana, offers a remarkable array of benefits. Treasured for centuries, it restores and rejuvenates. Indigenous peoples of Mexico and Central America revered it. Used as an aphrodisiac, nerve tonic, and restorative, its efficacy is well documented. Modern herbalism is rediscovering its potential. Damiana offers a holistic approach to well-being, addressing both body and mind. It combats exhaustion, supports mood changes, and enhances sexual vitality. Damiana energizes without anxiety and may prevent headaches. This herb offers a comprehensive toolkit for better health. We will explore how Damiana works and how to incorporate it into your life. Our aim is to empower you with knowledge about natural alternatives. Damiana's gentle yet profound actions make it a valuable ally. It helps navigate daily challenges with greater ease and vitality. Let us begin this journey to discover the amazing health benefits of Damiana. Embrace the wisdom of nature for a balanced life. Discover the wonders of this fascinating herb. Damiana is not just another fleeting wellness trend. It is a plant with a rich history of traditional use. Damiana, known as Ternera diffusa, is a small aromatic shrub. Native to southern Texas, Mexico, and Central America, it adapts to harsh conditions. Used as an aphrodisiac and tonic, it combats fatigue and improves well-being. Damiana's resilience hints at its strengthening qualities. Its traditional use for enhancing sexual vitality is well known. Damiana's therapeutic effects stem from its complex chemical composition. The leaves contain active compounds like flavonoids, phenolic glycosides, and terpenoids. This blend is responsible for its diverse pharmacological actions. Damiana's nervine action supports and strengthens the nervous system. It alleviates anxiety and promotes calm without overstimulation. This makes it useful for stress-related conditions. Damiana is also recognized for its adaptogenic qualities. Adaptogens help the body adapt to stress, enhancing resilience. Damiana supports adrenal glands and modulates stress responses. This adaptogenic effect contributes to its use as a general tonic. Furthermore, Damiana exhibits mild diuretic and antiseptic properties. Arbutin, a phenolic glycoside, supports urinary tract health. Its diuretic action promotes gentle toxin flushing. These properties make Damiana a multifaceted herb. It offers broad support for overall health and vitality. Understanding these properties helps us appreciate its many uses. Damiana's calming properties can be very beneficial. It helps maintain equilibrium in the body. Damiana may help the body cope more effectively with stressors. These can include environmental, physical, or emotional challenges. By supporting the adrenal glands and modulating stress responses, it can improve endurance. Many struggle with persistent tiredness and physical weakness. Damiana offers a natural way to combat these feelings. It gently restores energy levels, nourishing the body. Unlike harsh stimulants, it rebuilds stamina over time. This makes it useful for those recovering from illness or chronic fatigue. Damiana energizes without causing anxiety or overstimulation. It provides a smoother, sustained form of energy. Enhancing alertness and focus, it improves daily performance. The energizing effects are due to its nervine and adaptogenic properties. By calming the nervous system, it conserves energy. Its adaptogenic qualities enhance resilience and reduce fatigue. Some accounts suggest it improves oxygen circulation. Better oxygenation leads to increased energy and vitality. Incorporating Damiana can make a noticeable difference in your routine. Imagine waking up more rested and ready to face the day. Damiana supports this shift towards greater vitality. It helps combat exhaustion, allowing fuller engagement in activities. Whether facing a demanding schedule or seeking more energy, Damiana is a supportive ally. It helps reclaim your natural energy. Damiana's restorative nature is a key benefit. It helps to enhance alertness and focus. This allows for improved performance in daily tasks. It does so without the negative side effects associated with strong stimulants. Brightening your outlook. Damiana for mood and mental strength. Seasonal changes can affect mood, leading to winter blues or sad. Damiana has traditionally been used to lift spirits and alleviate mild depression. Its euphoric properties promote a positive outlook, valuable during scarce sunlight. Beyond seasonal changes, Damiana enhances mental resistance. Life's challenges can take a toll on mental well-being. Damiana's nervine and adaptogenic qualities strengthen stress responses. This leads to improved emotional resilience and coping ability. The anxiolytic effects of Damiana soothe nervousness without drowsiness. It helps quiet a racing mind, promoting relaxed alertness. This is beneficial before stressful events and may improve sleep quality. By supporting a balanced mood, Damiana enhances quality of life. It fosters inner calm and well-being, allowing positive engagement with the world. Its traditional use as a tonic for the spirit is well-founded. Damiana restores emotional equilibrium and supports a resilient mental state. This makes it a cherished herb for mental and emotional health. Damiana's ability to reduce stress and anxiety can indirectly benefit female sexual health. A relaxed mind and body are more receptive to intimacy. Damiana supports this holistic approach to female well-being. It is important to approach sexual health with sensitivity. Damiana offers a natural way to support this vital aspect of life. Nurturing intimacy. Damiana's role in sexual health. Damiana is renowned as an aphrodisiac, enhancing libido and sexual satisfaction. It addresses issues like erectile dysfunction and premature ejaculation in men. By increasing blood flow and reducing performance anxiety, it improves sexual experience. For women, Damiana increases sensitivity and arousal, enhancing orgasmic potential. It may regulate menstrual cycles and alleviate hormonal imbalance symptoms. Damiana's stress-reducing properties benefit female sexual health. A relaxed mind and body are more receptive to intimacy. Damiana supports a holistic approach to well-being. Its benefits extend to emotional and psychological health. By fostering relaxation and enhancing desire, it rekindles passion. It strengthens intimacy within relationships. The traditional reverence for Damiana as a love herb underscores its potential. It nurtures connection and pleasure, supporting a fulfilling sexual life. Damiana supports this holistic approach to female well-being. It is important to approach sexual health with sensitivity. Its benefits are not just physical. They extend to emotional and psychological well-being. Supporting harmony. Damiana for digestion and weight management. Damiana supports weight management by stimulating metabolism and suppressing appetite. Its mood-improving properties reduce stress-related eating. Combined with a healthy lifestyle, it aids in achieving a healthy weight. Stress impacts digestion, causing issues like indigestion and bloating. Damiana's nervine qualities soothe the digestive tract, improving function. It exhibits dual actions on bowel function, acting as an astringent or laxative. This normalizes bowel function, promoting regularity. Damiana supports digestive harmony, addressing issues from multiple angles. It calms stress-related digestive upset and aids in weight management. A well-functioning digestive system is crucial for overall health. By supporting digestive wellness, Damiana contributes to vitality. It helps process food efficiently and comfortably. This ensures you get the most from your meals. Easing discomfort. Damiana for headaches and stress resilience. Damiana may relieve headaches from PMS or stress. Its muscle-relaxing properties ease tension headaches. Its nervine action reduces stress, a common headache trigger. For PMS-related headaches, its hormonal balancing effects are beneficial. Damiana enhances mental and physical resistance to stress. As an adaptogen, it supports coping with challenges. This increased resilience is vital for long-term health. Damiana modulates the stress response, maintaining balance. It reduces the wear and tear stress inflicts, contributing to vitality. By enhancing natural coping abilities, Damiana acts as a shield. It provides a foundation of calm and strength. This allows facing challenges with equanimity. Whether preventing stress-induced headaches or bolstering resilience, Damiana is valuable. It supports the body's innate capacity for health. Embracing Damiana practical ways to use this herbal ally. Damiana is available in several forms, making it easy to incorporate into your routine. Traditional Damiana tea is made by steeping dried leaves in hot water. The tea has a slightly bitter, aromatic flavor, often enhanced with honey or lemon. Drinking 1 to 2 cups daily is common. Damiana tinctures are concentrated liquid extracts, convenient and potent. Typical dosage ranges from 1 to 3 milliliters, taken 2 to 3 times a day. Tinctures can be taken directly or diluted in water or juice. Damiana is also available in capsule form, offering a pre-measured dose. Capsules contain powdered Damiana leaf or extract, ideal for those who prefer not to taste the herb. Dosages vary, so follow the product's recommended dosage. When using Damiana, start with a lower dose to see how your body responds. Gradually increase the amount if needed within guidelines. High doses might cause mild laxative effects, so moderation is key. Consult a healthcare professional before adding Damiana to your routine. This ensures it is appropriate for your individual circumstances. Damiana's promise. A recap and important considerations. We've explored Damiana's many facets and potential health benefits. It combats tiredness, energizes the body, and supports mood. Damiana enhances resistance to stress and addresses sexual concerns. It aids in weight loss, prevents headaches, and supports digestion. Damiana's holistic approach brings balance and vitality. Incorporating it into your routine offers significant support for well-being. Choose high-quality products from reputable sources for best benefits. Disclaimer: this information is for educational purposes only. It is not medical advice and should not diagnose or treat diseases. Consult a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement. This is especially important if pregnant, nursing, or on medication. Your health practitioner can provide tailored guidance. We encourage you to like, subscribe, and share this content. Damiana offers a natural way to support this vital aspect of life. Its benefits are not just physical, they extend to emotional and psychological well-being.